Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manually log records like calls, notes, emails, or meetings in HubSpot. This is essential for keeping your CRM organized and ensuring every interaction with your contacts is properly documented and tracked. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Sign in to your account using your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot and don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial to get started. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your CRM activities. Now, you need to navigate to the CRM area to access your contacts. Hover your cursor over the left side menu, and you'll see an expanded menu appear with various options. From this menu, click on Contacts. This will take you to your contacts page where all your stored records are displayed. Here, click on the name of the specific record you want to log an activity against. This opens up the individual contacts page where you can view their complete history and add new interactions. Once you're on the records page, locate the activity panel on the contacts card. Look for the three-dot icon labeled More and click it. A drop-down menu will appear giving you several options for logging different types of activities. This is where you can choose what kind of interaction you want to document. In the drop-down menu, select the type of activity you need to log. You'll see options like Log SMS, Log LinkedIn Message, Log WhatsApp Message, Log a Call, and several other logging functions. Choose the one that matches the interaction you had with this contact. If you're logging a call, fill in the duration of the call, the outcome, and add a brief description or notes in the notes field. This helps you remember key details from the conversation. You can also adjust the call date and time if you're logging it after the fact. For an email, paste or type the email subject and body into the appropriate fields. You have the option to attach files or add additional notes about the email context, which can be helpful for future reference or for team members who need to review the communication. If you're logging a meeting, fill in the subject, date and time, attendees, and location or video link. Adding a brief note about the meeting outcomes ensures that everyone has visibility into what was discussed and decided. Finally, click Log or Save to record the activity on the record's timeline. This action ensures that the interaction is permanently documented in HubSpot and visible to anyone on your team who accesses this contact. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.